patio, which is going to be awesome. It's got 2 walls of glass and 3 operable doors. So one out of Caffrey's bedroom, one this is slider right here behind me, and the third one's going into this opening. This wire right here, Charlie, tells me that we got something different going on with that door.
Yeah, this door is different than the rest of them. This one's motorized.
Motorized door. How are you?
This is Michael Roy, professional window and door installer.
Nice to meet you, Michael. So what are you putting in for us?
So we are putting in a multi-slide that'll open up from the middle. So there'll be 2 panels that open up to the patio on the outside.
And done by motor?
Done by motor, yes.
How do we
Push
do
of a
that?
button.
Push of a button. So the first thing we had to do is we had to prep the opening and put a motor in. So we have a motor prepped here inside the wall cavity that'll be covered by a panel.
Cool.
And then that'll operate this door.
That is very cool. And obviously we're doing it for Caffrey, so it's nice and accessible. You can easily come and go inside and out.
That's right. So let me remind you of our goal here. To have really 0 threshold from the inside wood floor to the bluestone outside.
So on the concrete, the bluestone goes down. Inside on the sheathing, you've got panels for radiant and then our finished floor.
That's right. And look at that.
Wow. Gonna roll right out, no problem at all.
Be perfect. Because our exterior and our interior is flush, we have to create a waterproof pan with a back dam. And the pan actually has a pitch built into it, which you can see right here. And on reverse, there are shims. That way when the sill goes on, it sits nice and level. And any water that might come into this sill, it will drip onto our waterproofing and pitch out to this notch, which also has a drainage mat that goes down to crushed stone.
Michael, where do we go from here?
Yeah, well, we have the frame built on the ground, so I'm going to ask you two to give a hand, and we're going to lift it and put it in place.
Let's get to work.
It's going to stand it up vertically.
Okay.
Okay, Sven, I'm going to head inside with that. Okay.
That's it.
Just going to lift the frame up onto the sill. Excellent. Let's push it back against the back dam.
There you go.
All right. Next step, we're going to get this jam nice and plumb.
Tell me when you're ready.
We're good to go right there, Kevin. Excellent.
You got a shim behind there, which is nice.
Excellent. Now we're going to come up to the top and do the same thing.
Tell me when.
How's that?
It is good to go right there. Excellent. All right, let's get the other side put in.
Tell me when.
Yes, you're good to go. Great. With a frame of this size, we run a string across the header as we'll typically get a sag in it. So as you can see, a little bit of red string on this end and a little bit on this end, but you can't see it in the middle. So we're gonna run a screw up to get it even.
Okay. So that's level?
Yes, that's level. So we're gonna run the rest of the screws across the header and then we're gonna load the panels. You guys are gonna bring the panel over.
Okay.
Spin around. Yep, that's good right there. And when we're ready to lift, go ahead and lift. And slide it to the outside track. We're gonna slide it into the opening. Okay, come back a little bit. Now give it a good shove. Excellent. All right, let's go grab the other panel. 1, 2, 3. Into that slot. There you go. Drop it onto that outside track.
Perfect.
That's it. Yep. Excellent. Slide that in. Perfect.
Oh, nice.
All right. Now that all the panels are in, we're going to run the belt on the top to the motor, to the top of the panels, and make this operable.
I can't wait to see it.
So Michael, just a single belt all the way across the top?
Yes, single belt, and we've got it all fastened, so we're ready to give it a test run.
Hit it up, Sven. Let's see what we got. That's awesome.
That is smooth.
So Sven's got a keypad here.
Yeah, there'll be a keypad on the inside, there'll be a security keypad on the outside, and then there'll be an app that you can use on your phone for it.
Very cool. And I presume it's got some safety features? 'Cause
Yes.
It's mechanized?
Sure does. It has a safety feature right here. It'll have a sensor, so if anybody's coming in or out as the door's operating, it will not close on them.
Beautiful. And since it's got a motor, if the power goes out, are we locked in or?
Power fails, the motor clicks off. You can open it manually to get in and out of the house.
Nice job.
All right.
Thank you, boys.
Nice.
Really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Charlie, this is the first for me. Never seen one
It's
before.
pretty nice.
How about that, guys?
I want one of them.
Oh, perfect.
Or two. Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.